Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Call them Chekkalu, Thattai, Nippattu or just simply rice crackers. They are highly addictive snacks that can be enjoyed with your evening tea or coffee. Traditionally, they are prepared using freshly ground rice flour, but you can also use store-bought one, which is what I am using today. Good quality rice flour is the key factor to get the perfect texture of Chekkalu. If the flour is very finely ground, then the crackers will turn out very hard. So let's get started. Wash and soak SAGO, also known as Saggubiyyum, in milk for about 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Similarly, wash and soak CHANA dal in water for about 5 to 6 hours or overnight. But you will be soaking SAGO in milk and CHANA dal in water. Remember that. So now let's make the green chilli paste. For this, in a mixer jar, add in some green chilies, cumin seeds, finely chopped ginger, and some curry leaves. Grind to a coarse paste. Adjust green chilies to suit your taste. To a bowl, add in the rice flour and some ghee, butter or oil. So if you're using oil, make sure to add hot oil because that will give you a very crispy crackers. Now drain and add the SAGO and CHANA dal. Add in the ground chili paste, some salt, and mix all the ingredients well. Rub with your fingers and see that all the contents are incorporated well into the rice flour mixture. Just sprinkle few drops of water little by little and knead to a smooth dough. You can also use if there is any leftover milk after adding the SAGO. Do not add lot of water. Use very little amount of water just to combine to form a smooth dough. Now heat oil over medium heat in a deep pan or kadai. This is for deep frying. Now take a plastic sheet or a butter paper, smear few drops of oil, divide the dough into equal gooseberry sized balls. Take each ball and flatten it to form a disc of about 2 inches in diameter. You can also grease some oil to your fingers while spreading the dough. This will avoid the dough sticking to your fingers. Repeat the process and make around 4 to 5 for each batch, but this will depend upon the size of your kadai. The remaining dough should not be left open as it will dry out. Instead, cover the dough with a moist cloth to retain the moisture in the dough and not to let it dry out completely. This is especially important when you are making large quantities. Once the oil is hot enough, remove each disc from the sheet and slide gently into the oil as you can see in the video. Fry them over medium heat until golden brown, flipping in between. Once they get the light golden brown color, drain them onto an absorbent tissue paper to remove any excess oil. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you why we are adding SAGO. Soaking SAGO in milk gives those white studded Chekkalu. They puff up so beautifully while frying and give a nice crunch to the crackers. Look how beautiful they look. Completely cool down and store them in an airtight container. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do give it a like and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me, Padma, signing off.